we're just trying to get the tune going right now. The air fuel's still, you know, obviously off. We're just trying to get the car baselined in 6th gear, and then we're gonna go into dyno it in 7th gear, which will be a lot longer up pull, and it's the 1-to-1 gear. But we are getting it. Everything so far looks good. It's making like 15 pounds and keeps kind of going up a little bit, so we'll see where it ends up. Did 789 on that pull. The timing's still very low in it. It's making like about almost 15 pounds of boost right now with the F1A-94. The engine is still completely stock. It is untouched, stock head, stock cam. We've never even opened it. So basically, when you get down to it, this is a ZL1 with some headers. It's got stock exhaust, and it's got a bolt-on ProCharger kit. We picked up 225 horsepower on an otherwise stock ZL1. All we did was remove the factory blower and put the ProCharger kit on and a set of Kooks 2-inch headers. That's the only modifications done to this car. Made 845 wheel horsepower and 710 foot-pounds of torque with basically just a ProCharger kit and a set of Kooks headers. It's on 93 octane. It does have some methanol on it for assistance, but other than that, it's pump gas, meth, Kooks headers, and a bolt-on ProCharger kit. Nothing else done to the car, period. We do have a cam for it from Vengeance Racing. We are going to throw that cam in here in the next week, and then we are going to put it back on the dyno, see how much power it picked up. It's definitely going to help out with fueling. Right now we're about borderline with it on the fueling because it is everything stock in it. But we're really happy with those numbers. Should be a very good running car with a 10-speed automatic in it. We've been doing back-to-back pulls, so we're going to let it cool down for a few minutes, make another run on the dyno with it, just see what power it makes with just letting the car cool down for a minute. Alright, well, we got the tuning done here. Just tuned, put a badass tune on the car. The car made 850 wheel horsepower and 700. Car made 850 horsepower and 730 foot-pounds of torque. We only lost 30 pounds of torque going from the factory root style blower over to the ProCharger, which is really good.